So this is exactly how your success building funnel will look like after you finish setting it up. You will be able to import everything that you see here instantly into your Leads Leap account. So there is a capture page to build your own email list. As you can see here, you will get the same copy as this one. And anyone who subscribes from this form here will be added to your email list that you create on Leads Leap and starts receiving 7 emails day in, day out, sending them back to the delivery page here, where of course they can download the ebook and where you promote related offers in order to make recurring commissions. So all you have to do is install and set up your funnel properly on your Leads Leap and then promote your capture page. The system after that will take it from there and send emails day in, day out to your subscribers. Not only that, but every time someone subscribes, it will be taken directly to a bridge page, which is your affiliate link for this same offer. And if he buys, you will make 100% on the front end offer, and then you continue making 50% commissions on all the one-time offers and upsells that are on the funnel. But it doesn't end there, because for the future 7 days, your subscribers will continue receiving emails automatically every day that will nurture them, educates them about the subject, and also sends them back to your delivery page where they can download and read again the ebook. And also they might follow you on these offers here that are closely related to the subject of building success online, and in that case you will make recurring commissions if your subscribers of course upgrade on any of these offers.